Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the Black Friday deals that I found from Bath and Body Works. Do you want to see what I purchased? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so Black Friday, the only place that I actually went and bought something from was Bath and Body Works. I couldn't pass up the deal. They had a buy 3, get 3 free for anything on their site. Anything on their site. So I'm gonna just show you what I purchased so you can see what kind of a deal that I got, and yeah. So the first item that I got, I did buy 3 of these foaming hand soaps. I personally have never bought these, but my mom always gets these and I always use them whenever I go back home to California, and I really like them. So I wanted to try them for myself. So this one I got was the Peach Bellini, and there's that. And then I got, this one was Kitchen Lemon. And then the last one was Crushed Candy Cane. I thought that would be cute sitting on my kitchen sink for Christmas time for this month. So those are the 3 different hand soaps that I purchased. So I bought 3 of those, and then I got 3 things free. So I purchased 1 set of those little hand sanitizers because I do have the little thing that these go in attached to my purse. So I ordered a 5-pack. This one says pumpkin assorted. So the ones that are in here are coconut pumpkin latte, pumpkin apple, and pumpkin donut. So they're all 5 in here that are all pumpkin related. And like I said, I always keep these on my purse anytime we're out to eat or anything. I always use it for me, my man, his uncle, whoever's with us. I'm always hand sanitizing people's hands because when you eat, you need clean hands. So I bought 1 of those, and then the other one I bought is a big, what does it say? It says 5-pack big 3 WCA assorted. I'm not sure what that means, but these say candy apple, winter candy apple, and they're all winter candy apple. It's harder to find these on their site, it seems. So when I saw the 5-packs, I'm like, I gotta get them. So since I bought 3 of those, I got these 2 free, and I got 1 of, because I have these little plugins that I purchased from them, the thing that this goes in, the wallflowers. So then I got 1 of these then essentially free. This scent is black tie. So here is a black tie scent. And then I bought 3 of them myself, and I got 3 more of them for free. So this scent is Sweater Weather. And the others are Sweater Weather. So I got 4 Sweater Weather. And then I got 2 of Praline, Pecan, and Cream. Ooh. So then there was my other buy 3, get 3 free. So there's that section. So half of that stuff I got for free, half of it I paid for. Then, let me move these out of my way. Then I went with the more expensive, I went with the more pricier things to do, buy 3, get 3 free. And these were all about $30 each. So I paid for 3 of them, and then I got 3 of them for free, which is an amazing deal. So this set right here, I actually bought 3 of these. These are valued at $30 each. 1 of them is for me, and then 2 of them I'm saving for gifts. So here's the 2 still all wrapped up. Here's the 3. So what's inside of here, which is this really pretty bag. It has the blue plaid. It has blue on the back of it. This is their gingham line, and I absolutely love the actual perfume. I'm on my 2nd full bottle of this perfume currently, and I love it. So in here it comes with a shower gel. It has the body spray, which I don't have the body spray. I only have the lotion, or the actual perfume, the big bottle. Then it comes with the body cream, the same scent. And then it also has this little hand lotion guy, which this is going to be adorable for me to toss in my purse. And if you would have bought these singly, this was $5. This was $13.50. These prices went up. I remember these used to all be $10 each. $12.50 and $14.50. So yeah, the prices has definitely gone up throughout the years. So this set is for me, and the other two I'm holding on for gifts because I could not pass this deal up. So I bought those three. So then these three I got for free. So I bought this one right here. It says from me to you. And this would, sorry, my lights. It says from me to you. And then this one is more for, well, it is for a man. And this comes with the Graphite Collection, and it has a body wash, a body cream, and then a body spray. So this is all like a set for a guy. And this was valued at $30 as well. So I thought this would be really neat. Plus, you never know if you have like an uncle or some type of family member or somebody that comes into town. It's always good to have little extra gifts on hand. That's what I always like to have. So here's for a man. I got this set as a gift. This is Into the Night. This was also valued at $30. This set comes with the body wash, the body lotion, and the body spray. And again, this was valued at $30 by itself that I got for free. And then my last free item I had to get because in my vanity area, I do have a little bit of like rhinestone action. I do have a chandelier that my man got me for Christmas last year that's hanging up. So I thought when I saw this on their site, I'm like, I have to have that because I do have a candle that's sitting on the top of my collection. So I'm gonna set the candle on here to sit up there. I think it'll just make it look a little more girly. But this is a candle holder, and it has like the little rhinestones that are hanging down, like the little bling bling. So I thought this was adorable, and I think it's gonna look so cute sitting up there. And then that was my last third free item. So that's everything that I bought like that. And then they had this set that came in this box right here. Now this one is for me, so I'm going to show you what it is, and this deal I could not pass up. It's normally valued over $100, and I got this for $30. Amazing. So what's in here? What's in here, you ask? Even if you didn't ask, you're gonna find out. Okay, so it comes with, so here's a box that's inside, and then there's one more thing under here. Right here. So it comes with this reusable bag. Let me remove the plastic. I don't like to crinkle in your ear. So this is that same like brand where it has the blue and white checkered, the how do you say it? Gingham? I don't know, I use it all the time, but I don't know how to say it. And then this is just like a reusable tote. It's more like it's like a hard papery kind of like feel to it. And then it does have this little clasp right here, so you can close it if you would like. But it's a reusable bag. And this is really cool because a lot of states now are going with the no plastic, so you need all of these. So that's really neat. And I'll probably throw this in my car in case I need to like move things back and forth, or I could leave this at work because anytime I get packages, because I get a lot of packages during the day, this can help me toss all my stuff in here so I can carry it home. So then inside here, this is the main thing. And it says VIP. Yes, we are. So let's get into this guy. So when you open it up, everything's sitting nice and pretty. So we have that same hand lotion, which I don't mind because now I have a backup to the one I'm gonna put in my purse, so I could even toss this in my car. But I love the scent. The scent is just, oh, I love it. So here is the hand cream. Again, this is valued at $5. Then here's a candle for that same scent. I am so excited for this guy right here. And it's a one wick right there. Oh my goodness, that is so good. And this is valued at $14.50. So right now we're almost at $20 and I paid $30 for the entire set, okay? So then we have is Into the Night, like that other set that I bought as a gift. This is the shower gel. And then we have Into the Night, this is the body lotion. Into the Night body spray. So I've never smelled this scent. I don't know if this is a new one. I don't recall ever seen Into the Night. It's been a while since because I normally stock up with Bath and Body Works, so then I won't have to go for like 6 to 12 months again. Ooh, that does smell nice. Ooh, I do like that. I do like that. Ooh, I got a new scent, you guys. I've never heard of that scent before. Then we have, oh, here's that gingham. This is a little hand sanitizer in that same scent. How cool is that? This is valued at $1.75. Oh, sorry. This is, which I already told you these pricing before. This one doesn't have it. I think this one said $14.50 in that other one. And then the lotion's $12.50. And then this little guy, that's so cool. I didn't know they had that same scent. And then, okay, cool. Here's another hand soap. This one's in Champagne Toast. That's awesome. So here's a hand soap. This one is valued at $6.50. And then there's something else in here. Ooh, we have a big full-size 3-wick candle. Ooh, what is that? Champagne Toast. That smells so good. Oh, that smells amazing. So we have the Champagne Toast 3-wick candle, and this is valued at $24.50 all on its own. So basically, these 3 items right here are worth more than the $30 that I paid for this entire box. That is amazing, you guys. So now I couldn't just pass up this deal just for myself. I did actually purchase one of them for one of you guys, and it's right here sealed in its box. This is the same exact set. Now, if you would like to enter into this giveaway to quite possibly get this set for yourself, then here is how. Number 1 rule in all of my giveaways, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do my giveaways, to give back to those who are actively and positively supporting me here on my channel. So you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, you must give this video a big thumbs up, and you must leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, I want you to put in, what are you more excited about in this set? Don't put the words "enter me," because if you didn't make it this far, you might not even know that there's a giveaway in this particular video. So just don't put the words "enter me." Put in what you are most excited about in this set that you could quite possibly win. So you have the big 3-wick candle, you have the smaller candle, you have the whole Into the Night set, you have the hand soap, or you have, hand soap. You have the hand lotion, and then the hand sanitizer. So you tell me what you're, or the bag, and the bag that comes in there too. So let me know what you're most excited about in this set. So then when I use the random comment picker, if it chooses you and you have in there what you're most excited about that pertains to this set only, then you would be the winner. If you don't have that in that comment, then I'll have them pick another winner until I get somebody that does follow these rules. You must also be over the age of 18 or have a parent or guardian enter in for you, and you must have a United States address for me to ship these to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping them to a United States residence. So that being said, that is everything that you would need to do. Be subscribed, like, comment down below. Do not put the words "enter me," but put in what you're most excited about in this particular set only, not everything that I ended up buying, but this particular set only. Be over the age of 18 or have somebody enter in that is for you, and have a United States address for me to ship these to cut down on shipping costs for myself, because I am paying for all this out of my pocket. So that is everything, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this haul? Did you think I got a good deal? I mean, buy 3, get 3 free. I could not pass that up. I could not pass that up. And that's why I definitely wanted to go with the bigger items as well, the $30 ones. So I got basically 6 $30 products for only paying 3. And then I did need a few more of these, so that's good. And I wanted to try these soaps, and I definitely wanted this whole set to myself, and I wanted to pass one down to one of you guys to share with you guys as well. Christmas is coming up, so I definitely wanted to give back to somebody, and that is that. I will have what day this will close. I want to get this closed before Christmas, so if I do ship it to you, hopefully it'll get to you before Christmas, so it'll be kind of like a Christmas gift. So I'm gonna look at the calendar. I don't have one right in front of me to put a date right now, but it'll probably be like 2 weeks that I'll run this, but down in the description box below, it'll have the official end date. And when that date comes, I will use the random comment picker to choose the winner. Again, I would like for you to get that notification and get this shipped to you so you can have it then before Christmas. That's my goal. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think, and your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and thank you so much. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.